This is called Mirza Ghassemi. We are making it over the open fire. And the ingredients are tomatoes. We have Afsanajun made us some
Eggplant.
tomatoes, garlic, roasted garlic, and she mixed all of them together. Now I'm gonna add those special ingredients into the pan. We also have some roasted garlic here that we're gonna use it as a toaster. Mix it together. So we just have to make the Mirza Ghasemi has to be smashed together. It looks like a paste. It's very yummy, vegetarian food. Very easy to make, right? Afsana, is it easy to make?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
easy.
Except you have to roast the eggplant, right?
Yes.
To make a good result. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the better the roasted eggplant and tomato and garlic.
Garlic, yeah. If you can roast all of them, that would be awesome. If not, at least roast the eggplant.